How to research popular topics for your courses and digital products by using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. I use ChatGPT together with other tools to find popular topics for our products and courses. In this video, I will show you the exact prompts that I use to get information out of ChatGPT that are useful for our products and courses. So the first step would be go to chat.openai.com, and once you are here, you can basically come down to the search bar here and start asking questions. Now I have a sheet that I will include in the description section below with several different prompts that you can use to get information out of ChatGPT when it comes to extracting information for your product and courses. So the first prompt will be best-selling courses on, and instead of keyword, I put my keyword that describes my niche. In this case, I'm going to use personal development. And I'm just going to wait for the answer. And as you can see, it will give you some information on popular courses in the personal development niche. And you just take notes on what you see here and try to spot different popular topics, different trends. So the first one on the list is Tony Robbins' Ultimate Edge. This course covers topics such as goal setting, mindset, personal finance. It includes audio and video training. The second one on the line is from Brendan. It's about High Performance Academy. This course focuses on developing habits and strategies to improve personal performance in areas such as productivity, health, and relationship. Third one is Robin Sharma's Personal Mastery Academy. This course covers topics such as productivity, leadership, and mindset. So you just go through the list, take some notes on common topics that you could potentially include in your course. Obviously, based on your expertise, you don't include things that you're not an expert in, and then you construct your course around it. So this is one way. And we will continue to feed ChatGPT more prompts in order to complete our research. The next step, I would go back to the sheet that I have with specific prompts and paste the next prompt. So most popular topics, and then we'll put a keyword. We can continue with personal development, just for the sake of this example, but you can use any other keyword that is relevant to your industry. And here you can see ChatGPT is feeding you some information about personal development, popular topics. Personal development covers a broad range of topics that are related to self-improvement, growth. Some of the most popular topics within personal development includes mindset, positive thinking, learning how to develop a positive and growth-oriented mindset to achieve personal and professional success. Goal setting and planning is another one that is popular. Time management and productivity, communication and interpersonal skills, emotional intelligence and self-awareness. So you go through the list, take some notes, write things down. These are some potential topics that you can cover, or you can narrow it down into one particular topic. In this case, let's say we want to dive deeper into mindset and positive thinking. So you can basically paste the prompt that we have here, and instead of the keyword, you put personal development and positive thinking. You paste it, and then you mine more information. You try to get more information on this topic that you can add to your course based on your experience and expertise. And obviously you can use any keyword for your research that pertains to your industry. Later, I will show you one way that you can extract multiple different keywords that you can use to feed into ChatGPT prompt. So in this case, mindset and positive thinking are important topics in personal development, and there are several popular subtopics within this area. Some of the most popular topics related to mindset and positive thinking include growth mindset, developing a growth mindset, which is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and hard work, mindfulness and meditation, gratitude and positivity, self-talk and self-belief. Now you can basically write the topics that you can add to your course and make it a much more powerful course, or you can take it to continue on with your research. As I said, I have a sheet that I will include in the description section below. There will be a link to a page that you can get that sheet, and it has got multiple different useful prompts that you can just copy and paste by putting your keyword and use it to extract valuable information off of ChatGPT. And if you wonder how can you get different keywords to feed into ChatGPT that are related to your industry by using the prompts that I will provide you in the sheet, then you can basically just use this prompt right here. Give me keywords in your niche. So you just replace it with your niche. Let's say you're in the soccer niche. Then you just type that. You get multiple keywords that you can use to get more information out of ChatGPT, basically in your analysis, if you will. As you can see, it listed 30 of them, from football, soccer skills, all the way down to soccer analysis. Now you can use it in your research. So let's say paste this prompt and replace the keyword with one of the keywords that you found here. Best-selling courses on soccer rules. It might not give you that information, but ChatGPT is pretty clever and it will feed you the valuable information. As you can see here, we're getting results based on the keywords that we just looked up. So here are some of the best selling courses on soccer rules. The Complete Law of Soccer course. This course covers all the rules of soccer from the basic advanced concept. It includes video training, quizzes, and certificate of completion. And then if you go down the list, there's FIFA's Laws of the Game course, Udemy Soccer Referee course. So these are different popular courses that if you are a soccer coach or referee, you can, create something similar in your course or in your training. So you basically just go through the list and write down the different topics and then use the ones that are relevant to you in your research. So that's how you basically use ChatGPT, by coming up with clever ways and topics and ideas for your product or for your course. If you want a list with multiple prompts that you can use to carry on this conversation with ChatGPT and extract multiple of useful information for your course or product, make sure you check the link in the description section below. Get your sheet today. It has got multiple prompts for you to use. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.